In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Lucidchart. Bullet points are a simple way to make information in your diagrams clearer and easier to scan, whether you're documenting a process, outlining ideas, or labeling parts of a flowchart. Let's walk through the exact steps and make sure everything is straightforward. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. Once you're on the site, sign in as you normally do so you can access your documents. From the home page, you'll see your recent work. Click on a recent document you want to edit so it opens in the editor. If you don't see the one you need right away, just use the search or browse your folders until you find it. With your document open, click on the text you want to format. This could be text inside a shape, like a rectangle or a swim lane, or a standalone text box. The key here is to make sure the text is actually selected. You should see a blinking cursor inside the text area or the text highlighted. If you click once and nothing seems selected, click again directly inside the text so the editor knows you're working with it. Now look toward the top of the Lucidchart editor for the text formatting options. This is the toolbar where you usually change fonts, sizes, alignment, and colors. If the toolbar looks limited or you don't see text controls, that's a sign the text isn't selected yet. Click inside the text and the full set of options should appear. Within that toolbar, find the bullets and lists drop down. It typically looks like a small icon with lines and dots or a label that mentions lists. Click the drop down to reveal list styles. You'll see options for different kinds of lists, including standard bullets and numbers. To add bullets, simply choose the bullet option from the drop down. Lucidchart will apply bullet points to the line you're on and any new lines you add. Type your first item, press enter for the next bullet, and continue building your list. If you decide bullets aren't what you want, you can return to the same drop-down to switch to numbers or remove the list formatting entirely. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keeping your bullets short and parallel makes your diagram more readable, and aligning your text within the shape keeps everything tidy and consistent. If the bullets look too large or too small, adjust the font size of the text and the bullets will follow suit. That's all there is to it. Go to lucidchart.com, open your recent document, select your text, open the text options at the top, use the bullets and list drop down, and pick the bullet style. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.